The frost is bleeding into the dirt. The sun is healing the winter's hurt. We threw our coats upon the floor and opened wide the heavy door. The river's waking, it's loud and wild, with the spirit of a restless child. Can you feel the ground begin to shake? Every sleeping root is wide awake. Oh, the light is long, the shadows flee. This is the moment we are free. And the spring comes rushing like a flood. I can feel the green within my blood. Raise your glass and raise your voice. The earth is making a joyful noise. Oh, the winter's done. We're dancing in the morning sun. The hills are shaking their heads of gray. The golden gorse is here to stay. From the muddy path to the highest peak, it's the language that the spirits speak. No more silence, no more cold. A brand new story to be told. Break the chain!